Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Black Friday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Black Friday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here you will find even more amazing Black Friday deals from our 25 Black Friday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in the form of landing page layouts, Divi Theme Builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. In this video, we'll be highlighting our Black Friday landing page layout pack. We'll show you how to download it and use it on your own Divi website today. So let's get started. All of the pack downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log in to the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link on the members area menu called Black Friday Perks. Under Black Friday Perks, click the Download the Pack button to download the landing page layout pack. Once you have downloaded the landing page layout pack, locate the zip file in your downloads folder on your computer. Now we're going to go ahead and unzip this folder. Now go ahead and open up the Black Friday 2020 landing page layout pack folder. Inside this folder, you will find 5 files. One file that contains all landing page layouts and a separate file for each layout as well. To import the files to your Divi library, navigate in your WordPress admin to Divi Library. At the top of the page, select Import and Export. Then we'll select Import and choose File. Now you can select the individual layout you desire, or you can choose to upload the entire pack to your Divi library. I'll choose all landing pages and add that file. Now let's just click Import Divi Builder Layouts. To load one of these layouts onto your page, activate the Divi Builder and then look for the Load from Library icon in the page settings bar. If you're lost, it looks like a plus symbol. Go ahead and click that and then switch over to the Your Saved Layouts tab and select the landing page layout you want to upload to your page. And just like that, the only thing left to do is to customize the layout and publish it. This is landing page number 1. Landing page number 2. Landing page number 3. And landing page number 4. You can download all 4 of these right now by clicking the link in the description. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you are enjoying our 2020 Black Friday deal and all these special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.